one of the great deals we're gonna do this week is, you see the downstairs, I own this building, it has 12 residential, real nice luxury apartments on top. This is a corner that's one of the best corners in the whole area. It's actually a trophy property. And downstairs here, we lease the space to a cannabis company. But then I got this company, an Israeli company, that wants to put patisserie and some gelato, and they want to pay me a lot more. And the cannabis company has been here for a few months, but they haven't had time to actually do the work inside and start the tenant improvement to open. So I called them yesterday and I said, would you like to get out of the lease? I'm willing to work with you. Just pay me a small penalty and we'll make it happen. And believe it or not, they accepted. So now they're gonna pay me to leave, and I have another company lined up to come in with a better product that's better for the area here, and they're gonna pay me more rent. Very excited. We're gonna make some calls tomorrow on this, and I'll show you and you can listen how it's done. And look how beautiful this area is. This is the oldest governor's house in the New World, right here. And the governor's wife put these umbrellas to create an atmosphere, and people love it. There's always action. Right here is the continuation of Cristo Street. I got the building right here in the corner, and this is the only area in Old San Juan where you can actually sit outside, and they're making a killing. People love it. When the cruise ships arrive, people come in and there is always food and activities going on here. A lot of fun.